discomforts and their coping mechanisms. The advisor is Mr. Ronnie Dumali. In the field of psychiatric nursing, an award is given to the group of John Wally Audentia, Luciano Paginawa, Shorlen Saludales, and R.J. Torres for the work entitled Psychotherapy Approaches in Minimizing Hostility and Depression Among the Children in Conflict with Society. The advisor is Dr. Dina Kaluka. In the field of nursing administration, the big award is given to the group of Venus Valdesancho, Valerio Pamarota II, and Catherine May Franco for the work entitled Opportunities and Reintegration Problems of OFW nurse learners employed in different health institutions in the province of Ifugao. The advisor is Mr. Ronnie Dumali. In community health nursing, the award is given to the group of Melody Cruz, Lovely May Guerrero, Veronica Felix Lumbawan, and Marlo